Hey guys, what's happening? How to optimize your resume for job applications. First of all, use keywords from the job description. Scan the job posting and match the relevant skills and phrases to pass the ATS filters, right? So I'm gonna log in right here using my credentials in order to see it. Okay. Afterwards, I'm gonna continue. Right. Next, keep it clear and concise. Okay. Right, let me create from example right here. Right. As you can see, you're gonna be able to collect a sample resume. Right. If you're a student working in education, wherever that niche, right? Keep it clear and concise. Okay. Stick to one page unless you have 10 plus years of experience. Use bullet points and action verbs like managed, developed, increased. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna highlight achievement, right? Not duties. Instead of handled customer service, say improved customer satisfaction by 25%. Numbers make a difference. Next, format for easy reading. Use a professional font like Arial, Calibri, or Helvetica, right? Or Helvetica. Proper spacing and section headers. Lastly, what you're gonna do, you're gonna customize for each job. One size fits one size fits all doesn't work. Tailor your resume by or tailor your resume for each role by emphasizing the most relevant experience. One size fits all don't work. Bonus, add a strong LinkedIn profile link for extra credibility. So let's run down the counts if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.